Hello students, today I will discuss the vernier calipers. The vernier calipers is a very basic or primary instrument which we have to use in the physics laboratory. The objective of the vernier calipers to measure the diameter of a small spherical cylinder or any length, depth or the breadth of any rectangular block. Okay, so it's a device which can measure the distance between two opposite sides of an object. So the first, for the vernier calipers, you have to calculate the vernier constant. Okay, before that you can see the image of a vernier calipers. There are certain things. This is the main scale, this is the vernier scale, retainer, outer measuring jaws, inner measuring jaws, okay, and depth measuring prong, like this. In the vernier calipers you have to calculate first the vernier constant. For that you know the main scale and the vernier scale. Okay, in the main scale, in the main scale part there is a 1 centimeter or in inch, so we can use the main scale in centimeter. And there is a vernier scale. In the vernier scale there is a 10 division. For calculating the vernier constant you have to click on here, so you can go to the procedure. This is the theory and then the procedure. In the procedure part you'll see this is the main scale, that is the one main scale, that is the 1 millimeter, and the vernier scale is a 10 division in vernier. So 10 division of vernier is the 9 of the main scale. So one vernier scale division equals to 9 by 10 MSD, that is the 0.9 millimeter, and the vernier constant VC is 1 main scale minus 1 vernier scale division, that is 1 minus 0.9, that is 0.1 or 0.01. And the zero error, if zero error you need to calculate the zero error. If two jaws are closed and the vernier 0 and the main scale 0 are not coinciding, then zero error is there. It may be positive or maybe negative. Okay, for observation purpose you can go to the stimulator part. So we have to click here, there is a stimulator, you can click on the stimulator. So there is a different object, spherical object, that is the block or the beaker or the cylinder. You can choose any one from here. Suppose we have to choose the spherical object. Now what we have to measure? We have to measure the diameter. Okay, if you want to choose the block, then there will be the different dimension, length, breadth, thickness. If you want to check the cylinder, then you can measure the diameter of a cylinder, length of a cylinder. Okay, so suppose we have to choose the spherical ball, so you have to measure the diameter. There is the vernier caliper C. This is the enlarged portion of the scale, that is the main scale, and the lower portion is the vernier scale C. In the vernier scale there are 10 division is there, out of except that is the 0 mark. Okay, this is the enlarged portion of the vernier calipers. Now you need to coincide the two jaws of the spherical ball. What we have to do? We have to click on here and we have to slide the jaws. We have to slide the jaws and to coincide with the vernier, coincide with the vernier with the spherical ball. Okay, so see, we have to just sliding the vernier jaws. It will move, it will move. See, we have to move, it will move, and now it is coinciding with the spherical ball. Now the outer two jaws are coincide with that spherical part, and see there is a enlarged portion of the scale. Now we have to take the observation. Now in the lower portion, in the vernier scale, the first reading is the 0 of the vernier scale. Okay, so you need to take the main scale reading, that is MSR, vernier reading VR, and the vernier constant. Already we have calculated the vernier constant 0.01 centimeter, so you need to take the main scale. Now what is the main scale reading? See here, 0 of the vernier scale is just cross the 2.1 of the main scale. See, the 0 of the vernier is between 2.1 and 2.2. That means is just cross the reading 2.1 of the main scale. So main scale reading is 2.1 centimeter. Okay, if it is coinciding with 2.1 perfectly, then it will be 2.1 again or it is between 2.1 and 2.2, again you have to take the previous one, that is 2.1. so main scale reading is 2.1. and now the vernier reading. What is vernier reading? Out of 10 division in the vernier scale, find out which one is the coincide with the any certain value of the main scale. So here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 or 5. So fourth number is coinciding with the main scale reading. So vernier reading is 4, right? So main scale is 2.1 centimeter and vernier is 4. Now you need to calculate the total scale reading. See, this is the main scale, the vernier scale. Vernier scale reading means vernier reading multiplied with vernier constant, then you can get the vernier scale reading, and then you can add the main scale reading and vernier scale reading, then you can get the total reading, right? So main scale is 2.1 and the vernier reading is 4. So 4 is multiplied with the vernier constant 0.01, then it comes to 0.04 centimeter, and then adding with the main scale 2.1, then we can get the total value 2.1 centimeter. Okay, so using this you can select another object, say iron block, like this. So again similar process, you can take the reading of the main scale and vernier scale, right? You have to close the jaws with, that is the jaws are just coinciding the object. Okay, again jaws are object, you can enlarge the part, that is the jaws are coinciding with the object. Again we have to take the reading. So like this you can choose the different types of object and you can calculate the main scale and the vernier scale reading and get the exact value of that reading use of the vernier calipers. Okay, thank you.